All right, let's see what we have weather-wise out there right now. At the moment, it's not too bad. 70s, we're going to go to 90s again, so it's still hot out there. We talked to Coach Mark Ryland a little while ago about the heat. Last year was miserable. Anybody that was out trying to do any football practice was dealing with 100-degree days over and over. We had 60-plus of those. This year, it's been pretty bad, but not as bad. Certainly, hopefully, that is not going to be like that every summer. But at the moment, we're looking at 70s area-wide. 80 out at the airport, low 70s out to the west in the hill country. Temperatures are going to be heading up to the 90s today. We have a little bit of cloud cover, low cloud cover. We don't see it as a big threat for rain right now, but maybe a few isolated showers to the east and south of us today. Forecast models have been leaning on that possibility, so maybe a sprinkle out of this. You'll see it when you get outside. In fact, we have a sunrise due. I think it was about 7 to 3, 7 to 4 this morning, and a little bit of cloud cover is going to obscure that, so we will have that for this morning. All right, our forecast is as such. We're going to go with temperatures in the mid-90s for today. Cloud cover now, plenty of sunshine this afternoon, and in fact, tonight at game time, about 92. So still a little bit hot out there at House Park. Light breeze is a little drier, so it's not as humid right now. 70 for tonight. Winds out of the northeast at 5 to 10. 7-day forecast shaping up to be a hot forecast, but not to the extremes that we saw last week and the previous weeks. 95 today, 98 tomorrow, 98 on Saturday. Morning lows in the lower 70s. It is very likely we will see temperatures in the upper 60s in surrounding areas tomorrow morning. That would be one of the nicest mornings we've had in a long time. Slight chance for showers across the area. Again, tonight, 7 o'clock, live KBVO. We're going to be broadcasting the 9th annual Taco Shack Bowl.